Hello fellow filmmakers and welcome back to another video on this channel Clicker. Have you ever wondered why I probably have a solution for your problem. Maybe under the audio tab you have unchecked the export audio, so make sure to check that, or if you already have that checked, then you can go to output track 1 and change it from track 1 to all timelines, and hopefully that will fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was very short, but we have a lot of other tutorials and quick tips for you, so please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you want us to continue making videos such as this one. Goodbye!